Hey friends, welcome back to Decorate Your Life. Today I'm sharing a sweet, fun summer theme project that you can keep on your craft desk or office all year round. I've been wanting to make one of these for years, ever since I became a planner girl actually. Do you remember those videos? Well, I finally got to make this cute desk perpetual calendar using our new summer theme scrapbook paper collection, Lemon Drops. This summer theme perpetual desk calendar took a lot of die cutting. And if I decide to make another one, I promised myself that I would look for a cutting file instead. 'Cause in fact, generating all of those tags, inserts, and numbers was a heck of a lot of work. Anyhow, let's go ahead and take a look at this cute desk calendar, and perhaps I can encourage you to make something like this.
Decorate your life, make it beautiful and bright.
So before we get to this desk calendar, I want to give you an update on more projects that I made with our Lemon Drops paper collection. By now, the winner to my first Lemon Drops notebook project should have received her prize pack, and I hope that she likes what I sent. I loved how the first set of notebooks turned out that I decided to make some for myself. They're almost like the ones that I made for the giveaway, with the exception of the washi and the bookmarks that I cut and laminated for this cute summer theme notebook.
Decorate your life, Sandy showing you the way. With Victoria's ideas, giveaways. Let's craft today. Glitter flying, ribbons tying, every page a brand new start. Scrappy love and joyful making, pouring out from all our hearts. Paper dreams and pretty things, ideas start to come alive. With Sandy's smile and magic hands, let's craft and come alive.
Okay, so here's my perpetual calendar. Let me remove all the tags so that you can see how I constructed the base. So the base is just a simple box that stands about an inch tall. I decided to use my Heartfelt Creations tag die to make a backing for the month tags to lean against. To embellish the base, I used metal and bow embellishments from my shop. I also used some square beads from my stash to serve as a stand. I decided to make this smaller box to fit inside the base in order to give the numerical values a bit of a lift. Initially, they sat a bit too low for my liking. I guess I should have used larger tags for this part. But you live and learn, right? Regardless of the amount of die cutting that I did and the not so great a call that I made in using the small tag dies for the dates, I still love how it all came together. So I'm now going to speed up the video to show you how each month turned out and how it all fits in my month-to-month events. You'll notice that I left that back of the tags blank. This was done intentionally, as I plan to use the back of each month tag to write reminders for special events like birthdays and anniversaries. I hope that this cute desk calendar project inspires you to make one of your very own. Use any collection that you love. And if you want to brighten up your space, may I recommend that you take a look at our unique and adorable paper collections? At Decorate Your Life, you'll find a plethora of scrapbook paper collections that serve just about every taste in paper crafting. Whether you're into cute and crafty or love the romance and elegance of shabby chic, you're sure to find something that fits your personality. I will leave you a link to our shop and our Etsy in the description area below. And boy, oh boy, I can't wait to show you what's coming up next month. The team have already received their packages and are busy bees creating beautiful projects to share with you. Make sure that you subscribe to their channels and visit them often. You'll find their links in the description area below. And as always, keep smiling, keep creating, keep adding joy and love to this world. Until next time.
When you wanna add a little sparkle, when you need a little shine, come on over, grab your scissors, let's create and make it fly. Paper dreams and pretty things, ideas start to come alive. With Sandy's touch and magic hands, you're ready to dive inside. Decorate your life, make it beautiful and bright. With paper lace and lovely things, we'll craft it through the night. Decorate your life, Sandy showing you Let's craft today. Glitter flying, ribbons tying, every page a brand new start. Scrappy love and joyful making, pouring out from all our hearts. Paper dreams and pretty things, ideas start to come alive. With Sandy smile and magic hands, let's craft and come alive. Decorate your life, make it beautiful and bright. With paper lace and lovely things, we'll craft it through the night. Decorate your life, Sandy showing you the way. With tutorials, ideas, giveaways, let's craft today. So grab your glue and join the fun on decorateyourlife.com. We'll snip, we'll stick, we'll dream, we'll play, create some magic every day. Decorate your life, make it beautiful and bright. With paper lace and lovely things, we'll craft it through the night. Decorate your life, Sandy shining like the sun. With process vids and giveaways, the fun's just begun. Decorate, decorate, decorate your life with Sandy, and decorate your life.